potential employers look for the solid framework certification provides for you. Start your career with training and stand out in a thriving industry.
When I first started working with SunSense, I actually learned a lot in the field from the people above me who had already had experience. But then I decided to go ahead with my entry-level exam and get NABCEP certified, so I took classes at SEI. I took the entry-level package. Since then, I've actually moved on and taken more advanced classes and have my field experience, so I'm preparing to take the NABCEP Installation Professional exam in October.
I do serve as secretary for NABCEP, which is the North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners. We're the gold standard in certification of system designers, installers, sales professionals in the solar industry. I joined NABCEP because at the time NABCEP was one of the very few programs that existed in the industry to help qualify the competency of an industry professional. It's a tremendous resource to a prospective customer to know that their system designer installer has been vetted by a capable third party like NABCEP.
NABCEP certification ensures you have the right knowledge to produce top-notch work for prospective employers and solar clients. SEI's Professional Certificate Program satisfies the training portion required for the NABCEP PV Associate and Certification exams.
SunSense has several NABCEP certified people on our staff, quite a few actually. We also encourage anyone on our staff that wants to grow their skill sets and learn more to get involved with training. Solar Energy International is a primary example of that, and being a neighbor of ours and close to our heart, we always encourage them to contact SEI, take classes online or get some hands-on training. I think that's extremely valuable. And we like to reward people not only with those skills, but from a compensation perspective, they can better their opportunities through that training.
Well, I took my first solar PV training class from SEI back in 2007. The caliber of the education was top-notch. 10 years later, look back on that and say, taking my training from SEI was certainly one of the most significant keys to my success in the solar industry, and I have just tremendous respect for the quality of the curriculum, the quality of the instructors, and the ethics of the organization. They are teaching solar contractors the important things the right way.
As the solar industry grows, the opportunities for employment abound. Training and certification round out your skill set and ultimately lead to higher level, well-paid positions in the field.
I'm James Cormican, R&D and Code and Standards Director with RBI Solar. The rapid growth that we're seeing in the solar industry, we're going to need a lot more trained professionals to put up more safe PV, which I think is the goal of many of us here at this trade show and within the industry. So if we don't have enough trained professionals, we're not going to see good results and the growth that we want to see going forward.
How does training and certification benefit you? It improves the quality of work you produce, keeps you up to date with changes in the solar industry, and connects you with a family of solar professionals. Begin your education in solar by joining the thousands before you who are realizing the benefits of training and certification.